Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to today. Today on Sunday, we have no newspaper. So I will continue with the puzzles in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 13th, 2021. And there are four Sudokus left. The One Star Sudoku, the Two Star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle number 2. Yes, all the other puzzles are solved. Yesterday I solved the four. I have solved 4 puzzles. So today also the other 4. And this one will be number 2469. 69. All right, 2469. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. You can check this if it's correct. All right, so let's get started. In this column, oh no. Let me do. Let me scan first. Let me first. Yeah, scan. Yeah. 9. Okay. 4161. No. Okay. So we have a. Let me see. 4. No. 5. No. Interesting. All right. 6, 2. 3, 6. All right. Here in this row, the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square. So no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. Here also the 3 and a 6 in the second column. So no 3 and a 6 in that box. So the 3 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. 4 missing numbers now. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. Those numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 9. 289. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are left in this row. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. All right. Then, let me see. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 7 in this row, the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between, the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about, yeah, these 4 missing numbers in this big square. two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 2. We see here 3 and a 2 in the last row, so no 3 and a 2 in these two boxes. The 3 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. 3 and a 2. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in the second row, so no 3 and a 6 in those two boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in these two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 9. No. 1, 2, 4. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 7, let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. Alright. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5, I believe. 1 and 5. Yes, no 5 here. Okay. But we see here 5, no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here a pair, there a pair. Alright. 1, 2, and a 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Alright, digit number 1, number 5. Then 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6, 1 and a 6. Okay, we have a pair. In this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes, 1 and the 6. We see there 6, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this middle column for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. Interesting. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 4, 4. 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 3 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and that box should be a 6. Alright. 1, yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I have marked those two boxes with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in the column next for the number 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and that box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, yes, definitely a 1 star. Yeah, for 1 star, I need 10 to 50 minutes. Alright, 10 to 50 minutes. Alright. And I'm pleased with the time, 12 minutes. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.